Leema. I'm going to explain my 10th experiment in database, which is based on PHP MySQL. Its main aim is to design a registration and login system in PHP using cookies and MySQL connection. Use MySQL database to store user details and the cookies to remember user details in the local machine. For that, we are using um, PHP as the main. We are using two languages, PHP and HTML. PHP as a backend and HTML as a frontend. PHP for starting a PHP, we are using the syntax as this to connect to the database connectivity of PHP is um, start started. So for that uh, we should give the variables host, user, and password with a dollar sign. The syntax for giving in PHP for declaring a variable is dollar $db host equal to localhost, db user is equal to root, and db password is equal to the required password. Now to open a MySQL connection, the syntax is dollar connection equal to mysqli underscore connect of dollar db host comma db user comma db password or die connection error. Select the database. Dollar db name equal to login of db and mysql MySQL is select DB connection DB name or die database error. To retrieve the data, we should use ID dollar password dollar query dollar result and dollar result. For dollar ID, so to retrieve data, we are using these three. For that, we are using three variables: ID, password, and query. For that, the syntax is dollar $ID equal to dollar of post user, dollar of post pass, and select start from user. Now dollar select equal to mysql query dollar dot dollar query 1. If 1 is true, then while we are using a while loop. So if you use a while loop, um, it will if the condition is satisfied, then it enters in. So the condition is if row equal to mysqli fetch array, then of result dollar dot result 1, then it enters. So if dollar row username is equal to dollar id and s row of password equal to dollar dot password, then s dollar I equal to true or break, else I equal to false, and then we are using other one if clause. If I equal to false, then we are using echo. Echo is the line used to print the statement, and href we are using href for reference. And if I is equal to true, then the login is successful. If not, invalid username or password. Then we are using MySQLi. Then MySQLi close connection. We are closing the MySQLi connection. Now we are coming to the front end, which is HTML. For that, it is a doc type HTML, and it starts with a tag. The HTML always starts with the tag HTML. and it has attributes head, title, body. Inside head, we have a um, other one attribute called title, which is used to give that which we are going to use in the website. And we are also using a link tag to link to the we are using link we are using a style we are using a we are to link the respective page. Now inside the body tag we are using id equal to body color and id equal to sign, field state side field set, which is the border of the form, and legend, which we will write at the border of the form. And the form is started. For that the form tag is used with method equal to post, action equal to connectivity connectivity dot php user. We are breaking the sentence, and then input type equal to text, name equal to user, size equal to 40. We are breaking. Then password, we are input type equal to password, name equal to pass, size equal to 40. Break, input id equal to button type, submit, name equal to submit, value equal to login. And then we are we are setting the field set, and then div tag, we are also closing the body tag. Then we are also starting and we are also closing the html tag. Again we are using the html to for registering. For that we are using the same attributes as HTML, head, title and body. Inside the body we are giving a body color and ID equal to sign in. We are also giving a field set and legend, and we are giving form set and post form. We are starting the form. We are starting the form again. A form method equal to post, action equal to register.php. Then we are breaking, which is br tag is used to break the line. Then we are using uh, a text we are using a text block um, to uh, to have the user and the password, and we are also indicating a button for it equal to submit. And we are closing the field set, div tag and body tag and html. And again we are opening the tag for seeing who all are registered before. For that we should use the tag. We should use html head, title, and uh, we are used to have a link tag also for it. And then a body tag which consists of id and body color, and div tag consists of id equal to sign in and field set, legend, form method equal to post, action equal to register.php. Then we are breaking, input type equal to text name, break, break tag, and then password, break tag, and then input type equal to password, name equal to pass, and then break, input id equal to button type, submit. For but we are also using the button type. We are using a button here to submit. If we submit, it automatically and it's checking whether we are registered or not. It is already registered. and we can see the required output for this experiment, and hence the PLS and hence the program is executed. Thank you.